This is my custom designed backdrop. Here comes the cake. Hey guys, good morning. Today we've got a second cake smash of this week. This is my custom designed backdrop for this particular theme. All these are the vector artwork that I put together and designed this background. My floor drop is from Graceland Design. It's a machine washable, so after the cake smash, obviously you're gonna make a mess. You could just throw it in to your washing machine and it come out clean. Mum has requested a carrot or a rabbit theme, so we've got a cake I'm gonna start to style according to that theme. Let's have a look. It's a dime cake. I want to use it as a small heel. Put on some decorations to make it look like a rabbit's house. Okay, here's some cake toppers I've collected over the past few months. She booked this session about 2 months ago and started brainstorming and collect some of these themed decorations. These are the cake toppers. 很可爱的小蘑菇，有一个小栅栏。Cute rabbit topper. Not sure how am I gonna attach the clouds on because the icing is quite firm and dry. I've taped a wire at the back. It stays. Here comes the cake.